Good morning, guys. And today our topic is star delta starter. First, we have to know what is star delta starter and then what are the connection. Then we go for the ladder logic program in PLC. So first start with star delta connection. In star delta connection over a 5 HP motor in industry, it will run first at a star connection, then it will go for the delta connection. Okay, so we have to know what's are the uh, 5 HP motor connection, because there is lots of protections also there. First one is fuse, then it will come overload relay, and then some contactor are there. So let's start. Uh, red, this is orange, this is orange, and sorry, this is blue. Okay, so first here is some look. This is your three-phase line, red, yellow, blue. Blue. Now here some fuse are there. These are the fuse. Okay. Then okay, it is coming. स्केल पाया जाएगा একটা स्केल सर स्केल मिलेगा अच्छा ठीक है okay okay so this is main fuse, and here is backup fuse. Here first it is coming with contactor, sorry, uh, if you directly connect this or directly indirectly connect to this because fuse is there. Look, this terminal, okay, again we have to reduce.
हेलो हाँ वो एक बार लिए थे ना वो जिम करने के लिए
Okay,
मेरे पास तो नहीं है हाँ तो आप एक बार लिए थे ना नहीं नहीं हमसे तो नहीं लिए अच्छा हाँ तो अच्छा ठीक है एक बार देखना पड़ेगा तो मेरे पास तो नहीं है। अच्छा ठीक है एक बार उनको बोलिए खोल दीजिए
this is overload relay. The symbol is like this. Okay, this is K3 contactor. This is K1 contactor. Okay, Okay, guys, this is your complete circuit diagram for your three-phase induction motor star delta connection. Look, this is your star connection, and it is supplied by here, and this is K3 is the main contactor. Okay, so first time it will run three-phase motor in this way. So this is in star connection. After then, in K2 will release this contact, and K1 take the main contact, take the connection supply. Then it will go through this connection. So this is the delta connection, and this is your overload relay. From this symbol, you have to understand in your panel diagram, there is no such a statements is there. There are some K1, K2, FB, OLR. This type of symbols are there, and somewhere there is no even no alphabetic words are there, just symbol is there. So through this symbol you have to understand which one this is a overload or relay or overload circuit breaker. This is your star connection. This is main circuit. This is OLR or overload relay or overload breaker. So from this and another thing, in your motor connection in industry, there is a no red, yellow, blue mentioning are there, because in a motor there is a only copper coil and another insulations is there, so no color coding is available over there. So only you can see there is a W1 V1 and U1, or you can say U1 V1 W1, and another terminals is there U2 V2 W2. Okay, so in this way you have to connection is there, you have to connect your motor for the star delta connection. So uh, we have to we have to provide a ladder logic program so that PLC can run this program. Okay, guys, please draw this circuit diagram. This is very important for your exam, and as well as you if you go for industry, then lots of time you have to face this type of connection. This is first circuit breaker. There is maybe more circuit breakers are there, but generally this type of breaker are used. First fuse, maybe mainline fuse, backup fuse, and this is a main fuse. Okay, but its rating is so high. But for a particular individual motor, or your rating is say 10 ampere, so you have to put some 10 ampere motor, a 10 ampere fuse, or maybe 64 ampere, then you have to use this. Okay, then it is coming to the breaker. This is overload breaker, or sometimes relay are used, overload relay. Okay, and this is the contactor. K1 means contactor, K3 means contactor, and K2 means another contactor are there. So this is given as a K1, K2, or somewhere it is given as a Q1. Okay, in this way the symbol is given, and this is the U1 V1 W1, and here U2 V2 W2. So you have to connect the motor in this way. So here you can see there is no color coding is there. First time RYB is main connections is there, but whenever because as RYB is only available at your panel, but otherwise the all the color is same. Okay, that's why we can not use this color coding. So all our color are same, but you have to make this sure. Yes, this is R, this is Y, and this is B. After here it is coming, then whenever it is connected to the motor, there is no RYB connections mentioning is there. There you can get U1 V1 W1, and another terminal is U2 V2 W2. If you want to reverse it, you have to total reverse it, because U1 W1 you should to match with the W2. V1 it should be matched with this V2, and U1 it should be matched with the U2. Otherwise, your motor will just burn. Or sometimes because in your motor panel box, terminal box, there is this type of 6 units is there, 6 terminals are there. So you have to mention it. This is U1, this is V1, and this is W1. And so this is the U2, this is V2, and this is W2. Or it can be reverse. Maybe you may you may connection it or mention it in this way. This is W1, this is V1, this is U1, and this is W2, this is V2, this is U2. Okay, so whatever may be, you have to change. But if the connection is uh, not sure, then it will go to the damage. So now we are going to start our ladder logic program so that you can apply on delay timer in your real life. So if you have any question regarding this circuit diagram, you may ask me. Otherwise, I am going for the ladder logic program. Look, this is uh, you have to come electrical engineering in here. You get the PLC lab. Look, on delay timer. Okay, this is your start. This is for stop. This is for your whaler. This is emergency, and this is for your main coil. Okay, then go for the another. Okay, here you have to latch it. Okay, so first going for, because programming is high, that's why tagging should be done. Take first one is your start button. Start, just submit. Then it is stop. Stop. Then it is coming your overload breaker. OLB, overload breaker. Okay, and then it is coming emergency switch. Okay, and this is your, say it is cycle on. Cycle on. So here you have to write cycle on. Now, next, whenever your cycle is on, then you can take it as a input for the main operation. This is cycle on, this is main contact and main contact, because there is some contactor is there, that's why you have to write it. Mouse. Cycle is on, that's why main contact. Here you have to take another. That is for your T1. Sorry. T1, timer 1. That is tag delta. Delta connection. That is your star connection. Star, sorry. Guys, this is delta connection, this is the star connection. Now you have to take a timer. Timer is started on main connection. Look, tagging is there. Where is main connection is there. Main contact. So you have to write same. Main contact. Look, you have to check it. Yes, aim is small, C is small. Aim is small, C is small. Okay. Otherwise it will not working. Configure. This is T1 and this is, say I am giving 5000 millisecond. Okay. And you have to take the timer bit. Which is timer bit? This is timer done bit. You have to take. So just put it over here, timer down bit, and you have to copy this just like this. This is for star connection, and this is for cycle on, and this is for your delta connection. T1 DN bit, T1 underscore D DN. Sorry. This is your star connection latching. Sorry, interlocking. Where is star? STAR star connection. STAR CO. This is star connection. So this is your delta connection. Delta connection. So this is your program, and now we have to explain it. First, whenever you put the start push button, then your system will start. Okay, then it will, the rung will going on, and your first your cycle is on, means start delta motorcycle is first started, and whenever it will start it, look, here is the latching, so it is hold on. So whenever you once put your start button, then you just release it, but due to latching it will going on, and whenever cycle is going on, then your main contact uh, also, so at the making position, because this is your cycle on, and this is your main contact, this is your real contact, because these are the cycle on, this type of undergoing NONC. This is the virtual NONC. This is not exist in your circuit components, but it will exist in your PLC programming. So there is some real contact, real input output, and some are the virtual. Look, one cycle on, this is the relay coil, but it will apply so many area, but whenever you go for the circuit, you can't see this, because this is virtually done. But if it is in real, so you have to take so many contact, relay contact, once this cycle, this is cycle on, these are, but as this is a memory based, that's why whenever it will run, then it will also run. So this is the virtual. Okay, and whenever this e cycle on, then your main contact also on. This is your main contact. You have seen in just the circuit diagram, there is some main contact is there. So another thing, this if e cycle cycle on is started, then timer on cycle is started, and your the start connection also started. So motor is starting in the start connection. Here is the protection, I am coming later. So whenever motor is going to start going on, running on and in the star connection, but we have to take another timer, because without timer we can't count the time. So this is the main contact. Again I am taking this main contact, right? Or you may put it cycle on also, not only main contact. So whatever may be same, because main contactor is uh, remain, then cycle also remain. Okay, so timer is going to start. So after few seconds, timer enable bit will timer done bit will be activated. So whenever timer done bit will be activated, then we have to cut this line by the star connection, because then we don't run this motor by the star connection. We will start our motor in a delta connection. So we have to cut it. So whenever timer reached is preset value, then we have to cross this path. So here is NC switch is there. So look, there is a T1. Now, same things is done bit is coming here, and whenever done timer reaches value, then we have to start in the delta connection. You can see there is a delta connection is there. Oh, okay. So here also tagging is there. Cycle on. So this is your total delta. So whenever delta connection is reached, then we have to cross it. So delta connection, look, this is the NC. So whenever delta became activated, then this path will be NC to NO. So it will cross this star connection also. Maybe timer rahe or nahi rahe, maybe timer exist or not exist, but delta also disconnected. So there is a two protection is there. Here is also star connection is also there. So it is main cycle on. This is your circuit. So guys, have you any question? Then please, time is very less. So please join again. I will run this program. Okay.